Side door handles are easy to remove because they have a screw here that you can unscrew and pull off the handle. The front door handles are more complicated. You have to push back this somehow, and I'll show you on my double cab. You push this back and then there's a pin that goes through. You have to knock out the pin, and when you want to reattach it you have to obviously knock the pin back in. And it's not as straightforward because look at this. This does not want to budge. Plus these come in 4 colours. Chrome, which I don't know why I've got chrome on my double cab, but the chrome ones, black ones, silver beige and grey. Now, I don't can quite see that, but anyway, there's a dowel pin in there which you have to knock out. The screws, and I managed to get a bit more movement out of this panel, but not enough that I can get this escutcheon, this collar to go back. So I've either got to make some sort of tool to push this back because the pin's inside the two. Find something to push it back, or I'm gonna break the escutcheon because the panel, I don't want to, the panel is a bit crappy, but the panel costs quite a bit of money and it's nice and originally crusty. These handles cost about 11 bucks, these cost about 3 or 4 bucks, and you can often find them in swap meets anyway. So I think I might have to sacrifice this if I can't get something down there. Well, something you'd think would be so simple, but this is the little dowel pin that's been knocked out, but the door handle still won't come off because it's been on there so long. So I think I'm gonna have to get some pullers. Let's see if this will work. This is for front end puller for your suspension, etc. It's not even coming off with a puller. So try not to break it, but it just does not want to come off. Release the tension and it popped off. So yeah, the puller did work. Anyway, now what was the purpose of getting that off? The purpose of getting that off is so that I can grease up this door handle because the lock does not want to work very well, but also the door needs to come off and be re-welded or welded. So while that handle will retract this latch, this handle, the outside one, will not. So I think these are broke, both sides. I can't get it, unscrew them. So first of all, I drilled a small hole right through. Then I use a larger drill to drill off this head, and then that'll pop out. There's the head. That was the screw. See if I can do this one-handed. So you pull it out and pull it backwards. I don't know why. This looks like there's no spring in there. Should be a spring to sort of bring the handle back. I don't know why that's not opening the, pushing that forward. Don't know, I have to find out, see if I can fix it or buy a new one. Anyway, that's all I got for now.